Hey, I'm Kusero, and I'm here to introduce IGK Color, which is a new addition to our IGK hair portfolio of products. IGK Color is a permanent color kit that is available in 25 different signature shades, developed by colorists for salon quality results at home. With 90% of our salon clients coming in for color service, we have 60% of our staff solely dedicated to coloring hair. With IGK salons being known for beautiful hair color, a light bulb went off, and we knew we had to venture into this new category for our brand to provide solutions to all of you to achieve the signature IGK color from the comfort of your own home. Our stylist-developed hair care and expertly created color shades are truly born in the salon, tested on our real-life clients, and formulated with everything you need to give you healthy hair first, vibrant colors, and effortless styles. Our formulas are vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and all the color formulas are ammonia-free. These permanent colors, while being salon quality, are safe to use on all hair types and textures and will provide 15 times the shine, 88% softer and smoother strands, and 40% reduced breakage. To learn more about our color and to find your perfect shade, please visit us at igkhair.com. Peace.